Good morning, everyone. Today we will see data structure series in Python. Some next basic operations. Myself is Ashu Sharma, and let us start with tuples. So, tuples are very similar to list, and we have a syntax for my tuples. Suppose we have this, and there is this parenthesis pair. We put some element value over here. Suppose welcome. Some fractional values. This is that string. Some of these, any value we can put over here. This is very similar that we had earlier lists. Now see, this is that my tuple having these elements. Now we have to check the type. So simply we write this my tuple inside this parenthesis, and along with this syntax this type. Now we save it and run this script. Let us see. So type is tuple. So this is that how we can check that type of a data structure. Now elements in a tuple cannot be edited once assigned. So this is that we have in tuples that whatever the elements that assigned once, it cannot be edited. A tuple cannot be appended to or extended in any way, and a tuple is immutable. So lists are mutable. So there is an option in list to change that. Certain modifications will might be possible, but in tuple we don't have such that modification. So a tuple is immutable by nature. You can expand list to include more objects. Tuples index similar to the this. So when we talk about that, some of the operations like append operations, we put this some of these elements. So let us see how these elements might be accessed in tuples. So let's use this print my tuple and pair of this square bracket and 0. Then we have this print my tuple and pair of parentheses. Suppose it starts from 1:4, and another print statement, and we have my tuple. We can put -3 over here. Now see what will be the result. First save this and run this. So these are the results that we have. We have first elements that welcome. So welcome is here, and then we have that index position from 1 to 4. So it starts from 1 and 2 and 3. So 21.223 hello and word. So it goes up to this mark. So 4 is excluded. And when we say -3, so -1, -2, and -3. So hello will be there in outcome. So this is the way that we may access that tuple elements using this indexing. Now we have next structure that we have sets. So a set is you may say unordered collection, and data type that is iterable, mutable, and has no duplicate elements. So in sets you can say there is no duplicate elements, even though once you print this sets elements, even though instance is repeating multiple times, it will appear once. So let's we say and we try to implement the definition. S is equals to pair of this curly braces. So there is a difference. When we have list, we use that square bracket over there, and once we have tuples, then we use these pair of parentheses. Now for sets, we have these curly braces. So remember this syntax is very important for defining these values for different structures. This is very important. You remember these syntax. Now we have specific values. Some instances we are going to repeat. Let us see. Suppose these are the instances we are going to repeat. So now print and small s. Save it and just run this script. So now we see what is the outcome. See, the outcome is ACDB. So what happened here? In A instance appearing two times, so it only appears once when we execute this print statement. So A, and rest of having single appearance. So C, D, and B having two times appearance. Again, B is only single time. So when we say sets don't have that duplicate elements. You can say, even though if we have this uh, multiple instances at the runtime, once you execute, it will appear single instance in outcome. So set is unordered collection as well, for that importance. Now, next is the dictionary. That syntax, that dictionary we have. So dictionary is basically a type of collection which consists of key value pairs. So we have key, and along with key we have values. So that's where we can define a dictionary, or we can make a dictionary where we have key and value pair together, and key values can be of any type. It doesn't necessarily it is of only one type. It may be of any type. So a dictionary is indexed through the keys. So let us practice that. We have this dictionary, this name of the dictionary, and we use curly braces over here. Then suppose we have AA. This is that key, and this is the value belongs to that key. Then we have, again we have this key, and there is a value, suppose 26. Again we have key, and that value is 27. So one another key we will put over here, suppose this way, and we have value 28. So a dictionary is a type of collection which consists of key value pair. So here we have this AA is a key and 25 is a value, BB is a key, 26 is a value. This is a way that we may write syntax for the dictionary. Now first we print this XDI. Now save this, Control S, and Shift and Enter to make that outcome. Now see, this is that we have as an outcome that dictionary has printed AA 25, BB 26, CC 27, and DD 28. So this is the way that dictionary has printed. Now next we try to print a value, suppose with respect to a key. So we have to pass a key. We write this print statement, and that's dictionary, and then square bracket, and suppose we want to print 27. So we have a key associated with this value is CC. Now save this and Shift Enter. So let us see what will be the value 27. So whenever we want to print value of with respect to a key, we have to pass that key as an index, and just simply it will print that respective value with respect to a key. So our dictionary is indexed through the assigned keys, as we saw in this example. Now this is very important. Now see how to find that length. Suppose we have to find the length of that. So we have this function length x underscore di, and save this and then Shift Enter. So let us see what is the length. Length is 4. So it means that we have key value pair 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 key value pairs are here. So this is the way that we may use this concepts. And Python is very interesting, that programming language, because of that it provides that portability in a code, and very intelligence, I think, because of this you may have only that values given to the variable, and it will detect what type of value all about that. So this is very nice feature of that associated with the Python. So till now we have seen some of the basics concepts of list in previous videos. Then we saw the concepts of that dictionaries, my tuples, and these type of things, tuples and sets, and all these basic data structures are very important as we move on. This is important to remember whatever the syntax associated to this. Thank you very much for being with us for this session. And if you like this video, these concepts, please subscribe my channel, and definitely it will give me confidence to make some new videos. And definitely I will try my best that while sort out these concepts one by one, and complete all the basic steps of Python, and then after start with the advanced concept. So if you like this, you may subscribe my channel so you may get that notification. Thank you very much.